right, how we doing? It's Dr. Greg Marion here at One Spine Chiropractic. We're gonna be discussing neck pain today, and the number one cause of neck pain is the subluxation. That's that big fancy word telling us we got a bone out of place, putting pressure on a nerve, causing pain, inflammation, and irritation. A lot of times our patients walk in saying, oh, I got a crick on my neck, I got a kink in my neck. And that's that big fancy word they're talking about, that bone being stuck. So today we're gonna demonstrate how we treat that by the specific chiropractic adjustment to get the results we want and the relief we need. So what we're feeling for as chiropractors is the bone that's misaligned, and we're especially trained, and only chiropractors have the best training to get the subluxation corrected. So we're gonna work on getting this bone back in place, getting some relief. So we're gonna go up high here, and I just need you to rest that shoulder. Good, a little further. Awesome.